For the next samba pattern, you will have to learn your rests. A rest means a small pause on the part which you are not supposed to play. We will be taking some rests on the quarter notes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and even on the eighth notes. Counting rests on the eighth note is slightly more easier than counting rests on the quarter notes. Playing a rest on eighth note or waiting for a rest on an eighth note is like just playing the quarter note for that particular beat and not playing anything on the eighth note. Whereas if you are taking a rest on a quarter note, you have to count that quarter note in your mind and then play the next eighth note. Let's continue with the next samba pattern so that you get a complete understanding of the rests. In this next samba pattern, we only play our 1, 2, 3, 4 and for our first measure. So the and of 1, the and of 2 and the and of 3 is a rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. That's the first half of your pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Let's try to play it on the bongos. A right on 1, a left on 2, a right on 3, a left on 4 and. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. For the second half, you play 1 and, but you take a rest on 2. So you play 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and then you play your 3 and 4 by taking a rest on the and ands of 3 and 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. To play it together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 3, 4. Let's try to play it without the accents. We'll be adding the accents next, but let's just get a hang of it. Now, the accents are very easy. You just accent on every right you play on the hemra. So, let's play it with a metronome at 60 BPM.